Hello and welcome to another Nimble video tutorial. So Nimble version 5 has been in heavy testing over the past year. Around this time, I guess it was 4 months to do the conversion of the actual code. And since then, it's been about a year, roughly a year, that I've been creating these videos and literally testing every aspect of the conversion to make sure I haven't, any typos or bugs. Along the way, of course, I found some typos and bugs and I've been fixing them. But one thing that has been rock solid is the actual runtime or SDK itself. I haven't really edited or made any bug fixes to it. If anything, I've only added enhancements and, of course, included the shorthand syntax as promised. So with version 5, I have about only 2 remaining features that I'm considering porting from version 4. Those include image lists, status bars, and ribbon bars or toolbars. I'm going to show you today the first feature that I've converted, which is just status bars. Status bars are the ability to have a control panel for displaying information at the bottom of a dialog. In the case of when it's applied in Nimble, in this case, it's not a control per se. It's just a dialog add-on, similar to menus. Menus are not a control. They just add on to any dialog or surface or a document. In this case, I've just created a sample status bar with 2 panels. You can, of course, customize the size of each panel. So in this case, I'll give it an 80-20. I can control the bevel so that they have different bevels depending on how the look and feel of the app and what you intend to do with the status bar. Once the bar is added to the dialog, you now have, you can reference a status bar.caption1 and the status bar.caption2 to change the text or information in each of the bars. That's basically how you create one. Once you save the status bar, you have the ability, it will appear in your project under the images and bars and image lists folder. I have a series of bars here that I've already created. One of the cool parts about Nimble is just because you use an interface to customize or create the basic bar, you can open any of the configuration data in the text editor and then customize it. The bare interface does not allow you to change the styles, but you can change the props and styles directly in the editor and it will preserve it, even if you re-edit the sizes using the user interface. As I said, this is not a control per se. It is a add-on to any dialog. And what I have here is just an example. This surface dialog is just a div in the world of Nimble, just like any div container. And I've applied a drop-down menu as well as a 3-size status bar to it. Of course, they size with the div and just provides added functionality to any container for the Nimble platform. Just wanted to give you a good look at this dialog add-on feature. Like I said, this was a version 4 feature. Of course, it's always been in Windows. You've seen it all the time in Windows, just as ribbon bars and image lists have always existed. And I'm just porting over the functionality from native code to JavaScript. Let me see if I have another one to show you. I think I have another look at a status bar applied to a different dialog. Once you've built a series of these bars, within the dialog properties, there are 3 sections here. The menu bar, toolbar, and status bar. You simply select any of the ones that you've created, and they change dynamically. This is with the menu system. You can select a new menu system and you'll see if I select this pop-up menu, it will auto hide after it's loaded, and you can apply them to any dialog at any time within the properties. As I said, these are not dialogues. These are not controls. I'm sorry. These are just dialogue add-ons for the Nimble version 5 platform. Thank you for watching.